In this video, I'll guide you through how to target overweight people with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a weight loss product, a fitness program, plus-size clothing, or another offer designed for people who are interested in health, wellness, or body-positive topics, Facebook Ads Manager gives you tools to build a more focused audience. This helps your ads reach people who are more likely to be interested in your offer instead of showing them to a broad, unrelated audience. After logging into Facebook Ads Manager, start from the main dashboard. On the left side, click the Audiences section, which is represented by a small group of people. Once you're there, choose the option to create a saved audience. This allows you to build an audience that you can reuse later in multiple campaigns. Give your audience a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. You can also adjust the location, age range, and language settings if your offer is only available in certain regions or is intended for a specific demographic. For example, if your ads are written in English, you may want to set the language accordingly. One important thing to understand is that Facebook has been moving toward more automated targeting through Advantage Plus Audience. When this is enabled, Facebook's algorithm tries to find people who are likely to respond to your ad. If you want more control over the audience, switch to the original audience options. This will reveal the detailed targeting section, where you can manually add interests and behaviors related to your target market. In detailed targeting, begin adding relevant interests such as plus-size clothing, plus-size fashion, body positivity, weight loss, healthy living, fitness, nutrition, and similar categories. These interests are not direct labels of a person's body type. Instead, they represent topics and communities that are often associated with your target audience. As you add each interest, check the estimated audience size at the top of the screen. A balanced audience is usually large enough to give Facebook room to optimize while still being focused enough to remain relevant. Once you're satisfied with the audience size and targeting, click Create Saved Audience. The audience will now appear in your account and can be selected whenever you create a new Facebook ad campaign. A final tip: even if Facebook continues to reduce manual targeting options in the future, your ad creative will become even more important. Make sure your video, images, and text clearly speak to the audience you want to reach, so Facebook's algorithm can better understand who should see your ads.